Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. We are back in school today. It is the last day of the dosage calculations course. So this was just a 4-day class. It was just like an introductory type of thing, you know, trying to get us acquainted with dosage calculations and things like that. Let me make sure my mic is not on, guys. Hold on, because I might just be disturbing everybody right now. Never mind, it's off. Alright, so yeah, back in class. We're doing a test right now. It's 20 questions. I am waiting for the instructor to move on to the next page. It's just 1 through 9, and I'm waiting for 10 to 20. I don't know what's going on. I don't know, maybe I can't see it. I don't know. I'm waiting for her to move on, but I don't know if maybe I can't see everything. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the next test. I mean, the next page. I don't know. I've just been sitting here for like the past 10-15 minutes waiting for her to move on. So yeah, we moved on to the two-factor medication problems. Okay, so they're talking in the class. Let me see what they're talking about, because I do not want to miss anything, guys. Oh good, we're doing number 4. I was stuck on number 4.
Per kg for 24 hours. The adult weighs
Oh no, I wasn't. I did number 4. I hope I got it right. I'm gonna give you the question for number 4, the one that we're trying to work out right now. So the question for number 4 is, okay, so the order is ethambutol for 15 milligrams. It's 15 milligrams per kilogram for 24 hours to an adult that's weighing 176 pounds. So the label, the medication that we have on hand is 400 milligrams per tablet. So we're asking how many tablets we should give. So I got, okay, so if I'm wrong, don't laugh at me. I got 4, so I think it's going to be 4 tablets. Let me just see if she explains it the way that I did it and see if I got it right.
So that is what the doctor ordered. What you have on hand is 400 milligrams. So you have 400 milligrams on hand. The doctor ordered 1200 milligrams. So 400 into 1200 goes 3 times.
0.3.
I got 3 tablets, but I don't know if that's right.
Okay.
Or I still lose everybody. Let me go again.
Okay, so usually when no one answers, she just goes over the question again. It's pretty funny.
I thought 0.3.
Yeah, 0.3. Round it up to 0.3. Well, they asked for tabs.
Yeah, so you put back the word tabs. You didn't get mLs.
Okay.
So look at it. You have 15 milligrams per kg. That's what the doctor tell you to give over 24 hours.
So I converted
so that's 1
the
day, right? So each day you're giving
kg to pound. Well, the pounds to kgs. So 176 pounds was just about 80 kgs. We'll
so
see.
176 divided by 2.2 give you.
You are now
About
muted.
80.
The board.
You are now
Give
muted.
you 80.
Can you see the board?
You are
Yes.
now unmuted. You are now
Yes.
muted.
So what I do, for me not to forget, I say, okay, kgs is 80.
Yeah.
15 times 80 gives me 1,200. And I carry back the milligrams. What I have in my medicine cabinet is, see here, the prescription tells you 400 milligram tabs. So that's what I have on hand. That's my age. 400 milligram tabs. And I put the word tab so I don't forget. So I have the two correct units, milligrams, so I can cancel that because I'm in the same unit. 400 into 401. 400 into 1,200 goes 3 times.
3 times. It's 3 tablets.
So I'm giving 3
3
times.
tablets, yeah.
You are now muted.
So I got it right. But the problem is that was not the hardest question on here. There are some others on here that I got so stuck on that I skipped because I was just so lost. Let me see. Like I skipped literally the first one. Yeah, number 1 was hard as heck. So the order was 60 milligrams of codeine, and then what we had on hand was let me see, a half grain per tab. So now it's just how many tabs should we give. I don't. Now to some people this might be like so easy. Be like, what? You can't answer that? Well, no. I don't really know how to convert grains into milligrams. That's my dilemma. So now I have to figure out how to do that. Grains to milligrams. I don't know. I do not know how to do that. Because I have my little conversion sheet. Like I printed this out. It's probably like, it's so worthless for this question right now. Because I don't know how to convert it to that. I don't know. I don't know. But you know, every brain is different. Every person is different. So what I might find hard, someone else might find easy. What someone else finds easy, I might find hard. So we're all in different paces. Scam Likely is calling me. I'm tired of you guys. Maybe they have the answer. I don't know. Yeah, okay, number 7 was a little difficult for me. So for this one, it calls for... Hold on, is my camera dying? I thought my camera was dying, sorry. This one calls for me to have... It's a powdered medication, and we have to add a couple milliliters of water, sterile water. But I am not familiar with that either, and I do not want to mess that question up. So I was going to attempt it, but I didn't completely attempt it, so I left it alone. Alright. Yo, I need to figure out how to convert drains. Sorry, what am I saying? Drains. Grains to milligrams. So now I'm gonna look this up, guys, because this one is killing me, preventing me from doing 2 questions. 1 milligram is 0.0154324 milligrams. No, sorry. 1 milligram is equal to 0.0154324 grain. Okay. Alright, so now since I know that, let me at least try to, solve these questions. Alright, so since I know that 1 milligram is that number, grain. Who is calling me? No. Okay. So now let's figure this out. Number 1. 1 milligram is equal. I'm going to write this down so I don't forget. It's equal to 0.0154324. Can I round this? Like, I really just want to round this number because that's a lot. So I'm going to round the 0.0154324 to the nearest hundredth place because, it starts with 0.15. I could easily do the 0.015 and stop there, but I think I might do the 0.02. I don't know, guys. Now, I know I probably sound really dumb for that, but hey, I don't know. 1 mg equals to 0.015. I'm gonna just do it 0.015. It just sounds better for me. It works. And so we have 60 milligrams. So 60 times that number. Let's multiply. Is 0.9, so basically 1 You know what? Maybe I should round it to the 0.02. Let me see. 0.02 times 60. 1.2. Okay. That's fine with me. Alright, so 1.2 grains. 60 milligrams. Okay, now I'm about to go crazy. Okay. Maybe I do have to multiply it by the whole 0.015434. Times 60. 0.9. Okay. So what the heck did I get? 1.2. Where the hell did that come from? What the heck? Okay, so maybe I shouldn't round it because that was messing me up. So I'm gonna do the 60 because when I rounded it to the 0.02, it gave me 1.2, but that's not even close to the exact. I'm just gonna stick to the 0.054324, 0.015434 because. 0.9. Okay. So that's 0.9. So 60 milligrams is equal to 0.9. Oh my god, why do they keep calling me? Leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you. Alright. Now we have to convert that. So okay, so each tab is half a grain. Bro, what? I don't know, guys. I'm like so stuck. I'm gonna give you guys the question again so that you guys can like try to figure this out if you want to. So the order calls for 60 milligrams of codeine, and what we have available is a half a grain per tab of codeine. So each tablet of codeine that we have in the bottle equals half a grain. So they're asking how many tablets we should give. So we need 60 milligrams of codeine, and each of the tablets that we have is half a grain per tab. So we're coming from milligrams to grains. And so what I came up with, 1 milligram is equal to 0.015434 grains. And so I multiplied that by 60 because that equals to, like, you know, 1 milligram, whatever, times 60, whatever. So yeah, so I ended up getting 0.9, well, 0.9 to, you know, it continued, but regardless of how you rounded it, it would end up being 0.9. So I did the 0.9 divided by 0.5, which is because, you know, it's half a grain per tablet, and I just got I got 0.462972. So I rounded it to the nearest hundredths, well, the nearest tenth, sorry, and I just rounded it to 0.5. So I don't know if that's it. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, guys. This is only day 4 of me in nursing school, so sorry. Alright, well, I'm going to continue doing this work and this test because I think we might be moving on. I don't know, I hope, but I'll be back. So, unfortunately, I lost the footage for the rest of the class. I had recorded my teacher going over the answers and how we got our answers, and that footage is missing, and I don't understand why, because I don't remember deleting anything. So, yeah, so we went over all the questions. I ended up getting them all right, except for those 2 that I was confused with the grains. So, yeah, that's something that I'm going to have to continue to work on a lot more, but after that, everything else was correct. Everything went smoothly, and that was the last day of the dosage calculations class. So next up will be anatomy and physiology. So once I'm back in class, I will see you all there. Goodbye. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you guys stay tuned and continue on with me in my journey to becoming an LPN. And yeah, make sure you guys tell me all about what it was like for you as well, if you are an LPN or if you are a student, right now, a nursing student. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe and continue to keep commenting under my videos, and let me know what your experience is like.